Good morning, guys! Happy Saturday! Is today 31?
Yeah, I reckon. Yep, 31.
Last day of May. Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
And that also means tomorrow is the first day of winter.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why it feels cold. Who is it?
The guy that lives up in the subdivision.
Ano guys, ihatid lang ako ni Craig sa aking Pilates. And then after this, 45 minutes lang naman. Then we were going to have later. Going out. Because it's a good day. Oh, like it's not always this beautiful weather.
Yeah, look at it.
It's so pretty.
Very blue, but
Yeah, I might be go drive. Go to mom, visit mom. Do you want to visit mom, babe?
yeah, we can do that.
So I can drive there.
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Malamig. I feel cold. I should bring jacket.
Well, it does say it's only 8.5.
See? 9 now, malam.
9. Sorry, babe. 9.
I make the seat warm though. It's feel warm now.
I got the seat warm.
So, guys. See you later, guys. Bye-bye, guys. So pretty the weather. Malapit na kami sa beach talaga dito, guys. So, dito na ako, guys. Wala pa yung mga kasama ko. At ayun na nga, pagtapos ng pilati ko, guys, umuwi na agad kami. At heto, nagla-lunch na kami kasama si mother-in-law.
I promise.
Wow.
Look how far down top.
Sure, I've been here.
Yeah.
That's
Oh, right. Been up there to the lighthouse in the car.
someone is doing the fishing there.
I'm going to point out here, so maybe I got to put into point A as well.
Yeah, I reckon.
That's here, you can spit and get it in the water.
Everywhere is
So clear.
yeah. Some people do have to go to Tasmania to see this earth. Like this one. Hey, we're rock you up. So hi guys, we just got home, guys. We had lunch with mom kanina, guys, and then after that, nagbiyahe-biyahe kami. So ngayon nandito na kami sa bahay, nakauwi na. And magkakaraoke ako mag-isa. Ito yung shoot. Wala na, naba na naman ako, guys. So karaoke tayo. It's on na yung aking ano. And here's the mic. There. Guys, the web is walking. Going back to Benwood. I should vlog from there.
Around the subdivision?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not. So we're going now back home. That's enough walking. Oh,
Yeah,
they clean.
something.
What is that? It's cold na, oy. Babe did not wear jacket. I'm cold.
Until the finish the ano malag.
Okay. Come on.
No. I'm gonna vlog you too, not me.
You too. You see?
Oi.
You go. It's not cold, guys. It's very cold.
It's cool, it's not cold.
It's very.
Tomorrow is winter, bud.
It's winter tomorrow, starting tomorrow.
Yeah.
Greg is wearing summer.
Yeah, but we're walking, babe.
Yeah, but I still will feel cold.
Could be lobster.
Because you're Tasmanian, babe. You're Australian, babe. Look at this tree, big. Tree and big. Hanggang dun pa yan sa dulo, guys. But this is just here. So, bye, guys. Bye, my love. Like your 60 legs. So, punta kaming Woolies, guys. Bili ng pang-ulam for tonight. Kain, guys. That's our dinner. Dinner? So, good morning, guys! Kanina pa man ako gising, pero medyo nagstay pa ako sa bed ng mga ilang minuto. Maaga kong bumangon kasi mag-i-empake ako, guys. Kasi tomorrow na ang alis namin ni Craig. So, magsistay kami sa hotel ng 2 days. Sa Sunday, ang aming wedding anniversary. So, may dinner kami doon. Ginawa ko na yung nails ko kahapon, guys. Ang cute niya, diba? Milky pink. Ewan ko lang nga, basta ako yun talaga napapansin ko. Talagang, tapos nawala din yung parang wrinkles dito na gumaganon pag kumukunot, ganyan. Na ano siya, dun sa mga nilalagay ko. So, yun, guys. Tapos, sana, yun. Sige, continue ko lang siya. Pero may nakikita na talaga akong effect. So, ang ganda ng Korean product. Ang ganda ng ano niya sa skin. Lapat ba? So, na-plancha ko na yung mga pants. And, yung mga gamit namin ni Craig. So, yan. Na-plancha ko na siya. Mga pants. And then, ito yung mga pants ni Craig na I already ironed it. So, dadalhin ko, terno na yan siya, guys. So, yan yung susutin ko sa aming dinner. Terno na yan siya. May pants na yan sa loob. So, idadalhin ko, ihahang ko lang to sa car. Kasama nung suit ni Craig. Magsusuit kasi siya. Pero yung ano lang, yung parang formal attire. So, yan. Papalitan ko pala siya, guys. Kasi sobrang liit. Meron pa pala kaming mga jacket na dadalhin kasi malamig doon. So, yan na lang gagamitin ko. Lilipat ko yung laman ito dyan. So, ayan na, guys. Tapos na. Nalagay ko na yung mga jacket. Then, yan na yung bag na isa dadalhin ko. Hand carry and yung bag. Then, lalagay natin dito ang mga perfume. I will bring my YSL and one lotion. This. And one lotion. And I'll bring this. And kasya pa yung aking dito. Pang-wash sa mukha and then toothbrush. Pero mamaya ako nag-aanohin kasi gagamitin pa namin bukas. So, kasya pa yan dito. Ito yung toothbrush namin mamaya na lang kasi gagamitin pa namin bukas and later. Sa jewelries naman guys, dito ko ilalagay. Then, gift yan sa akin ni Craig. So, dito malagay yung mga kwintas. Dito yung mga sing-sing and earrings. So, dyan natin nilagay. So, would I get it? Daling ko to. Pang daily use. So, dalhin ko yan. Terno. So, bring that. Craig's eating, guys.
Yummy.
Good morning. Ay, good afternoon. What's that? Apretada or
Caldereta.
caldereta? Caldereta.
And it's our anniversary weekend, babe.
Yay!
2 years already, babe.
Yeah.
Far out.
You happy?
Yeah.
Good.
You happy?
Of course. Very happy. My caldereta is yummy.
You want some?
No.
Just a little bite?
No, I'm so full. Brad. It's not hot now. I already hit it. So, ayan. Kanina pa nakabalik si Craig sa office, guys. Hindi na ako nakapagpatuloy ng vlog kasi tinapos ko yung aking pag-impake. So, ayan. So, ayan na nga, guys. Natapos ko na siya. Yan na. So, ito yung dadalhin namin na susuotin. Inisa ko na lang. Then, yung luggage. And then, yung aking hand carry. Plus, ito yung gagamitin kong bag para magamit ko na din siya pag naglalakad-lakad kami. Then, ito na ready. Ready na yung aming ano. Tapos, yung kay Craig nandun pa. So, siya na yung bahala niyan sa yung mga shampoo niya or whatever kasi gagamitin niya pa naman. And, ayan. Nakapagpalit na din ako ng bed cover and ng aming bed sheet para para malinis na. And medyo maulan today, guys. Tsaka yung araw ay hindi lumalabas. Kaya ganyan. Yung atang weather sa labas. Ang ganda dyan, parang picture lang siya. Yan. Dito. So, nag-chill lang ako. Nilaban ko na din yung aking tinanggal na bed cover. So, nilaban ko agad. Tapos, may tinahi ako kanina. Tapos ko na siyang tahiin. Parang pinutulan ko lang. So, hindi ko pa nabalik. Tinatamad ako. And, speaking to the nails, na yung sabi ko kanina, lalagyan ko siya ng heart. So, hindi ako tinamad, guys. Kaya, naglagay ako ng heart. Diba, ang cute niya na. Yan. Nilagyan ko siya ng maliliit lang na heart. Para cute. So, yan siya. Cute niya na. Cutie. So, para lang. Yan. Then, pinalitan ko din yung aking kwintas. Ginamit ko yung black pearl. Gifted to ni Craig sa akin. Original black pearl. So, yan. Ang cute ng nails. I love it. Parang talaga siya. So, yun na nga, guys. Hintayin natin si Craig makauwi. And medyo masakit yung ulo ko. Natapos naman yung period ko. Siguro kasi panay ko ba? Ikot-ikot. Tsaka, basta yun. So, mag-chill lang muna ako. And I'll be back again later. Bye. Dinner for tonight. Cheat days.
How do you build that kind of strength? You begin by
Thank you, my love. Hello, my love. Huh?
you remind yourself of
Sweat
everything you got
and draining.
Very well.
you use your history
Far out.
as fuel, not as a cage. You don't relive it to your strength. Resilience grows when you change the story.